Hi everyone, today we will sew with you stylish men's vest. Follow link under the video to find and download sewing pattern. We recommend using any puffer jacket fabric. You also will need lining fabric, separating zipper and stretch binding tape. You can sew a vest with the collar or a hood. You will find special pieces on the patterns. Attention! This sewing pattern includes seam allowances. Check the symmetry of the details. And using sewing specification, check please how many details you will have. We start with the pockets. Mark the location of the pockets on the front panel according to the pattern marking. Stitch the pocket facing to the bottom pocket bag. Fold the pocket welt in half with the wrong side inside. Pin and secure along the edges on 3 sides. Attach the top pocket bag to the pocket welt. Cut the pocket entrance in the center between the lines. Sew the shoulder and side seams on the front panel and back. Pin one part of the zipper to the zipper underlap and top stitch. Lay the plank with the zipper down on the left detail of the front panel, along the edge of the lapel, pin on the notches and top stitch. Pin and stitch the shoulder and side cuts of the front lining and back lining. Pin and stitch the center hood lining to the side hood lining pieces. Pin and sew the hood into the lining neckline. Pin the lining along the edge of the lapel and face, hitting the zipper stitching line. Prepare the elastic for processing the uncovered cuts, hood, armholes and bottom. And now your vest is ready.